right. Let's pull back the curtain on Metasploit and ethical hacking. You've probably heard about hackers using Metasploit to break into systems, but here's the twist. It's also one of the most powerful tools for defending your own network. I'm going to walk you through step by step how ethical hackers identify vulnerabilities and use penetration testing to keep devices secure. First up, reconnaissance. Before touching Metasploit, I gather information about the target system. Think of it like scoping out a building before checking the doors. Tools like Nmap or built-in Metasploit scanners help map out what's running, open ports, services, and the operating system. Once I've got the lay of the land, it's time for vulnerability assessment. I use Metasploit's built-in modules to scan for known weaknesses. For example, the auxiliary scanner modules can probe for outdated services or unpatched software. If I spot a vulnerability, I dig deeper, checking if it's exploitable and how risky it is. Next is the fun part, exploitation. With a vulnerability in sight, I select a matching exploit module in Metasploit. Let's say I find a Windows machine with a missing patch. I'll load up the right exploit, set my options and launch. If it works, I gain a foothold, usually a shell or basic access, on the target device. But ethical hacking doesn't stop there. Monitoring comes next. Using Metasploit's MetaPredator payload, I can keep tabs on the system, collecting logs, checking running processes, and looking for backdoors or malware. It's all about understanding the environment and proving the point. If I can get in, so can the bad guys. And of course, I always report everything I find. That's what turns a hack into a pen test, showing exactly where the holes are, so they can be fixed before a real attacker tries their luck. Remember, this isn't about causing chaos. Ethical hackers help companies, schools, and even individuals stay safe by thinking like the enemy, then using those skills for good. If you want more step-by-step guides, check out the pinned comments and video description below. You'll find links to professionals who can help you get the job done right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and support. And stay tuned. Next time, I'll be diving even deeper into the world of cybersecurity. Thanks for watching.